24.
That's 27, right?
26 to 29. Wow, look at the lake. Oh, wow. It's like a star.
What?
Oh! Fuck.
Oh wow, you can see a star. You can see a star.
Oh wow. You can't.
Oh my! Oh my! Oh, fuck. Where is it? Whoa!
And you can see it.
Look at the sky. Fucking hell, man. This is like... It's Bailey's beads.
It already seems to be longer.
Well, it's a minute. We have a minute longer than we did last time. It's a whole minute. Everyone's so quiet here. We got 1 minute. Be ready with your glasses.
Oh no, there's another. There's the Eclipse star, or maybe that's Jupiter.
There's a bunch of planets that are all lined up. All the astrology people
Yeah,
are going all
I
wacko.
think that's Venus and that's Jupiter because neither of us are.
See the light coming in from over there.
Yes, I can't even do it. It's getting lighter. We really are getting the flares off of it.
And look how the sky is now as it's getting close to moving on.
Yep, look at it's getting lighter now. Fucking hell. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Get your glasses.
Must know they're gonna die.
Woo! Woo! Okay, let's go.
7 hours of traffic.
Oh boy.
Wow. That was definitely worth all the trouble. Look at this strange.
This is now. Look around. Look at the light now.
I know.
It's beautiful.
The color right now. It's not like it was last time because the sun was higher last time. You know.